Background music playing. Voiceover. Welcome to the world of Docker files for NodeJS applications. In this video, we'll dive into the exciting world of Docker files and how they can benefit your Node.js projects. So let's get started. Scene transition. Voiceover. First, let's understand what Docker files are all about. Docker files are text files that contain a series of instructions for Docker to automatically build a Docker image. They are essential for maintaining consistency and reproducibility in your Node.js applications. Voiceover. But why are Node.js applications so significant? Well, NodeJS is a powerful JavaScript runtime environment that allows developers to build scalable and efficient web applications. And with Docker, you can easily package and deploy your Node.js applications anywhere. Scene transition. Voiceover. So let's set up the Docker environment for your Node.js application. Start by installing Docker on your local machine, ensuring that you have the latest version. Once installed, create a Docker file in your project directory, where you'll define the necessary instructions for Docker. Voiceover. Next, configure the base image for your Node.js application. You can choose from a range of base images, depending on your application's requirements. This will provide the necessary environment for your application to run smoothly. Scene transition. Voiceover. Now let's define the dependencies and environment variables for your application. Specify the required dependencies such as libraries and frameworks in your Docker file. Additionally, set up environment variables to customize the behavior of your application. Voiceover. Lastly, install the dependencies using package managers like npm or yarn. This will ensure that your application has all the necessary packages and modules to function properly within the Docker environment. Scene transition. Voiceover. It's time to build and run your Docker image. Use the Docker file to build the image, which will contain all the necessary components of your Node.js application. Once built, you can run the Docker image as a container, providing an isolated and efficient environment for your application to run. Voiceover. Don't forget to configure network settings and port mapping for the container. This will allow your application to communicate with other services and be accessible to users through specific ports. Scene transition. Voiceover. Now comes the fun part. Test your application within the Docker container to ensure everything is working.